Hello guys, how are you doing today? Now I'm gonna show you the way of reading. Read the following words. Read, to read, read. So you have to spell the word so you can read it correctly, okay? Are you ready? Let's get started. Pa, ah, pa. Say it. Pa, pa, par. Part, part, okay? So, pa. No need to say again because it's pa, okay? Let's do it again. Let's spell again. Let me show you the right way. Pa, pa. Pa, par. Par, it, part. Okay? Fa, 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 far. Far, farm, mouth, okay? Yummy, just like what? Just like the shape of your upper lip, okay? We talked about this in the class. Fa, far, far away. Farm. Ba, 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 bar, bark, bark, bark. Ka, ka, car, cart. Okay? Thank you guys.